Hey Virgo, how's it going? I hope you're all having an amazing week. This is going to be the situation right now, what is occurring, and what the outcome will be. Always take what resonates, you know that, and then always head over and watch your rising moon and Venus placement readings for additional messages and clarity. Quick reminder, 2 free personal love readings I'm giving away this month. You just need to be a subscriber. I do the giveaways each and every month. It does differ on what I'm giving away. Most of the time it is personal readings. So this month it will be 2 free personal love readings. You just need to be a subscriber, so go ahead and do that. And then leave a vacation emoji down below in the comment section of each reading that you view of mine from now until the end of June. Whatever you view as vacation. Palm tree, plane, hiking, amusement park. And then at the end of the month, I'm going to randomly choose those 2 people and be reaching out to you through YouTube. But I'll always remind all of you at the end of the month to be checking your notifications. All right. Situation right now. Sorry, guys. I had to get the door. Situation right now. What is going on for my Virgos? All right. You are loved. This energy loves you with everything in them. Could be romantic, friendship, forever partner. Amazing. Passion, love, desires. Someone is passionate for you. You have love and passion. And spirit baby. Communication with your unborn spirit baby. Feeling or hearing, sensing them. For some of you, you are pregnant. You're going through like an amazing cycle. For others, you could be, you know, the father of, or the, whatever it resonates with, you know, with what you resonate in terms of love. You could be that other partner to somebody who is pregnant and going through that amazing connection. There are blessings coming your way, feelings of peace, miracles, hope. See how those clouds are separating and the sun is shining in? You know what this reminds me of? That basketball player, and it really hit home because he's definitely from Pennsylvania. That basketball player during COVID that died in the helicopter crash with his daughter. And at the time, like, somebody had posted a picture on social media that the rays were coming down at the time that that accident occurred. So it's almost like you're being divinely guided towards this love, towards one another. But that's what just popped in my head for those of you that also saw that same picture. And I feel like Jessica Simpson lived near there and took that picture at the time that that crash occurred, not even knowing it was that famous basketball player. I want to say Kobe Bryant, but I really might be wrong if I... Please do not attack me if I'm wrong with that name. And my other half would be like, are you kidding me not knowing who that was? But obviously he's all about sports. Mending, 52. Yeah, there's something that needs to be mended here. A connection that needs healing. All right, Spirit. For my Virgos, the current situation. Thank you. All right, we have Archangel Rick Beal. Now, if you look at it, even before I start reading, it's the Chariot moving forward. Something is happening by a full moon. Now, it could be the next full moon, which will be in July. And my dog is, if you hear her, she's dreaming and making a noise. So this is moving forward with this person. It's like getting past the chaos, getting past the drama that is existing between the two of you. Forward movement. All right, let's see. current situation. The Hermit, there you are. I feel like you've done a lot of soul searching about this person. You know, it's almost like, should you hold on? Should you let go? Should you stay? Should you go? Should I move forward? But if you notice, this tree is blossomed and blooming on both sides. Fruit is ready, and it's just blessings on both sides, no matter what path you choose. So you're choosing the right path. Remember, with that picture, with the light showing down, you're being divinely guided to this mending in this situation. All right, Spirit, what's helping or blocking? Thank you. This is definitely about love. The Two of Cups. You're definitely missing someone. I feel like it was a hard ending of this connection for you. What is the past energy, Spirit? Knight of Cups. Could be a water sign because we have the Two of Cups and the Knight of Cups. Somebody who came in and swept you off your feet. Somebody who was very romantic. Could be somebody that you worked with or you have that connection with, that flirting, that desire when you see each other in your workplace. But this also could be the connection that you found yourself in, that both of you talked about the future, talked about working towards long term. What's the future energy? Could be a fire sign. They may have strong fire and water in their chart. But I feel like they want to communicate with you. I feel like they're feeling very confident. I feel that you find this person very attractive. And I feel like they're definitely coming in. They want to heal this connection. They want to balance the scales. Spirit, what does Virgo need to embrace during this time? Yeah, see? Big decision. Seeing yourself at the crossroads. You may have walked away from them. But for those of you that somebody did walk away, it's like you're trying to, once you receive this communication, you're going back and forth with it. But do remember my reading, because, like I said, the blessings, you're being drawn to each other. What does Virgo need to let go of? Let go of the loss. Let go of what happened between the two of you. I really do feel this person is taking charge and coming forward very confident. If you have Aries in your chart or strong fire in your chart, I feel this is you overcoming the sadness. Being in your best energy, knowing your worth, having that confidence within yourself also, and making a head over heart decision. I do feel this person is coming in wanting to be dedicated to this connection. For those of you that it's brand new love coming in, because there is that possibility. No, there's mending there. Well, you know what? It also could be a brand new love coming towards you. The mending part could resonate in other people's situations. But this person has definitely had their heart broken. They may feel that they're at a crossroads at a time that they meet you. And not be so quick to like rush into this love, you know, this love affair, this passion that both of you feel, taking baby steps with you. But I really feel it's because they're coming towards you, again, having their heart broken and needing to pick themselves up and heal. All right, Spirit, please clarify Virgo's reading. The Hermit. Oh, no. It's okay, baby. You're screwing up Mommy's couch. The World. Yeah, see, there has been an ending. a closing out of a cycle, but the love hasn't stopped. There's still that emotion there, those strong feelings. Kona, baby. Okay, it's fluffed. Even though there was an ending to that cycle, and it was such a hard ending, remember the Ten of Swords, you still want this brand new beginning with this person. There's still strong feelings that exist here. And you may say, like, yeah, right, I haven't heard from them in a while. I really feel that they were working on their stability and security. And they've been in that Knight of Pentacles energy, making small progress ahead towards you. Why the Two of Cups? Yeah, see? Earth energy. Wanting to make that offer. It's like you both went your separate ways and you've both been planting those seeds along your journeys, but individually. For those of you that are single that do not want anyone to return, you are going to receive an offer. Like I said, it may be a very small offer. You know, for some of you may be single and thinking like, why am I always single? Why does nothing go past like the first or second date? Or why do I talk to these people and they really, you know, within an hour of a conversation, they say something really dumb and it's just, that's it, they lost me. I truly feel the connection that you're coming into is going to be very slow moving. But that's because, like I said, both of you are coming towards each other. New love or returning love. Very grounded. But it's going to feel like a wish fulfillment. Queen of Wands and the Tower Spirit. Five of Cups. For those of you that there is going to be a mending, I truly feel both of you parting ways you are not expecting. Why is the Five of Cups here twice? All right. And why is the Five of Cups here with the Emperor? Yeah, see, you both have been hard at work, increasing that security for yourself. Both of you coming together ready, both of you being on the same page and wanting to work for long term, being dedicated towards each other, longevity. This person or yourself, you may be really good at something. You see this little boy is hard at work on his pentacle. He's painting it. You know, you or this person, for those of you who know this person, or try to remember this for those of you that will be meeting a brand new person, could be really good at something. Painting, drawing. You thrive at like a hobby or something that causes you a lot of pleasure. And it like stands out to other people. But whether it be new love or returning love, you're moving towards longevity with this love that's coming in. And why the Two of Coins and the Eight of Cups? Yeah, see, for some that there was definitely a walking away. I feel like a disagreement, two people very sad walking away from one another. Or a disagreement that led to somebody being ghosted. Why is the Eight of Cups here twice? It's possible you were dealing with someone who didn't make you a priority. But now, like I said, you're coming into an offer of longevity. Big transformation. And there's that passionate, honest transformation. Honest, passionate communication coming towards you. Strong feelings, strong desires for you, Virgo. This is an amazing reading. All right. Let's get a few more cards of clarity, and then I'm going to pull Scrabble tiles. Discord among friends or family. And like I said, it doesn't always have to be about romance. This could be you and a sibling, or you and a friend, you and a coworker, where it's causing you such stress and anxiety over not having this person in your life. I have a friend at work who, she has the biggest heart. I love her to death. She thrives on multiple friendships. Like, makes friends with me, then will make friends with my niece, then wants to take my niece out. Like, she just thrives on everybody being a friend to her. And when something, you know, someone's having a bad day and they answer her in not the right manner, or she's having a legitimate disagreement with someone, it's like she falls apart. I'm trying to make her stronger with the days I work with her, but that's what I'm feeling, like discord among you and someone where you're feeling it too. Chair filled, someone new entering your life. March. So this person could be a Pisces or an Aries. This could be, if you see those tulips wilting, this could be someone that you had a disagreement with in March, a fallout with. Take it how it resonates. Purse. Pay attention to your finances. You work so hard for where you're at, Virgo. A lot of soul searching, a lot of planting of the seeds. And September. Could be a fellow earth sign. In September, we have Virgo and Libra. This situation may evolve in September of 2023. All right. Or you could have last spoken to this person in September of like 2022. R N Z Y K Q E F S A D O C T. I just with mice here, a game of cat and mouse, like a game of the runner and the chaser is what I just felt here. And the rest are repeats. All right. Always take what resonates, Virgo. Leave that vacation emoji down below and go ahead and subscribe. And then anytime you would like me to tune into Just Your Energy, click on the link below in the description box. Head over to my Etsy shop. There are things selling out, but then there are other personal readings that are still in stock. I am getting caught up on readings, so if you head over there and you want something and it's sold out, just send me a message that you're from YouTube and that you would, like to purchase one of the ones that are sold out. Or just come back in a couple days and they'll be restocked as I get caught up. All right, so much love and light, Virgo. Have a good rest of your week, and I will be back for the weekend readings.